Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys password security setting. And in this video friends I am going to tell you how to remove lock screen password, how to turn off lock screen password in Infinix mobile. So one by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to remove and how to turn off lock screen password in Infinix mobile. First of all guys, unlock your device. After unlock phone, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. So friends, in your Infinix mobile, how to remove lock screen password? Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, open your device phone password and security setting. After turn on guys phone password and security setting, friends you can add fingerprint, you can add face lock. You don't have face lock, click your face lock setting, use your device password, you can add face lock. And you have fingerprint lock and you don't have, so you can add after enter your device password. So friends, click your phone lock screen setting, enter your device password. After enter password guys, next you can select new password type and you can update and you can change your lock screen password in your Infinix mobile. And you don't want to change, you want to remove, so friends you can click your swipe option and none option. And friends, if you click your none option, your swipe lock will also remove. And friends, you have fingerprint and you have face lock. Your face lock and fingerprint lock will delete automatic if you turn off, and if you remove your lock screen password. Fingerprint delete automatic, face lock will delete automatic. You want to use, again you will have to add fingerprint, you will have to add face lock. So friends, off your screen. And friends, now you can unlock your device without swipe lock also. And you want to use swipe lock, you want to set swipe lock, open your phone security settings, screen lock setting, click here swipe lock setting. And now friends, off your screen and you want to unlock your device, you can unlock your mobile with swipe lock. So like that friends, we can turn off lock screen password, we can remove lock screen password, and we can set swipe lock password. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends. Now we will meet on next video. Bye. Before going, please go and like the video.